Hi besties, welcome back to part 7 of our 30-part series on making your 10-piece handmade product line. This is day 7 of my 365-day orbit on YouTube. Today we're going to look at putting together a soap and bath and body product line. Okay, so now we're on Pinterest and we're going to look at some inspiration for bath and body lines. This is the board I put together called Roses Are So Pretty. Okay, so I'm going to use this board to work something up for you quickly. Okay, so I've started to clear up this board. Okay, so just to show you, so you can see that these would work together well. So you could have a botanicals collection. They could all be topped with the same roses, say like this or this, and just done in different colors and then different scents. You see this is the same soap and it just has different botanicals on top. You can consider incorporating different color swirls like this, or having side products like body scrubs in the same scents. Okay, so let's take a look in here next. Here is a collection of more natural types of soap. So if you sell more natural soaps, you could put together a collection with additives like clay, milk and activated charcoal. You could even sell one unscented soap in different natural colorants. Make sure to promote the natural colorants that you're using. Okay, and this is a fun one. I called it the Eat Me collection. So you could put together a collection with different bath bombs, such as these donuts and wafers, along with, say, soap cakes inspired by these here. And you can even get macaroon molds. So you could have a really fun collection made up of different sweet inspired items. That would be a really good one. Also, flowers featured heavily in many catwalk collections this year. I call this one Amongst the Flowers. Here you can see different soap cakes and a few real cakes just for inspiration that could be recreated as soap. You could put together a collection that included either cupcake soaps or bath bombs and several soap cakes as a higher priced item, and say a large decorated slab mold like this as your main item. And I called this board Cosmos. You can see here some melt and pour and glitter, and then some cold press processed soap as well. And you can put, say, collections together with different, say, colors or scents, and even sell them as one collection. And you can use different sizes and complexities of soap to create a different price range. And I called this one Fun Fair. And you can see all the fun bright colors. You could, say, have higher priced items like this piped soap or this piped soap cake, and then have some lower priced items that are, say, from slabs with the same colors like these. And here someone else has taken inspiration from a cake to make this fun soap loaf. Let's try another board. Okay, and I called this one Ocean Fizz Bath and Body Collection. Okay, and so here's some different ideas. You can have some nice layered soap here, and then some simple cheaper soap, and other options could be this with the bath sponge and body scrubs and side products to help finish your product range. And if you only make one type of soap, say like this, and say you want to make 4 products this size but still want to do the product collection, don't be afraid to include other types of bath and body products. Don't forget to follow the link below to get the free training where you'll find all the details you need to make your awesome product line. JO'Reilly.com Dice Formula. Find out more below and see you tomorrow, besties.